How to convert your TSP to Roth IRA, a simple step-by-step guide. If you're a federal employee or military member, the Thrift Savings Plan, TSP, is a strong retirement tool. But its limited investment options and tax restrictions can hold you back. Many retirees look to a Roth IRA for more flexibility, tax-free growth, and wider investment choices. Get free Gold IRA Guide and learn how to diversify your retirement with gold. Click the link below in the description to get it. Here's how to convert your TSP to a Roth IRA in clear steps. 1. Know the basics. TSP, like a 401k for federal workers, with traditional, pre-tax, or Roth, after-tax, contributions. Roth IRA, funded with after-tax money, grows tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Converting a traditional TSP to a Roth IRA is a taxable event. You'll pay income tax on the conversion. 2. Confirm eligibility. You must leave federal service, retirement or resignation, before you can roll over your TSP. 3. Choose rollover method, direct rollover. Funds go straight from TSP to your Roth IRA provider. Safest and simplest. Indirect rollover. Funds are sent to you, you must deposit within 60 days. Riskier and not recommended. 4. Plan for taxes. The amount you convert is taxed as income. Work with a tax advisor, consider spreading conversions across years, and set aside money for taxes. 5. Open a Roth IRA. If you don't already have one, open an account with a broker offering low fees, good service, and diverse investments. 6. Complete TSP forms. Use Form TSP 70 for full withdrawal or Form TSP 77 for partial. List your Roth IRA details correctly. 7. Reinvest and monitor. Once transferred, invest according to your goals. Roth IRAs allow stocks, bonds, ETFs, mutual funds, and more. Review and rebalance as needed. Learning how to convert your TSP to Roth IRA gives you more freedom, tax-free growth, and investment flexibility. While taxes apply, following these steps, and consulting a financial advisor, helps you build a stronger retirement future. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.